Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search in laptop. Begin by opening your browser or app and enable the Circle tool from the toolbar or extension menu. Move and resize the circle over the area you want to search, then trigger the search command or press the assigned hotkey to capture and query that selection quickly and accurately. First, install the Circle tool extension or enable the built-in feature in your search utility, and follow any permission prompts to allow screen selection. Next, customize settings like capture quality and default search engine to match your needs. Finally, assign a hotkey so you can draw the circle, capture, and search in just 3 steps without interrupting your workflow or switching windows. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover this content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and handles floors so you can focus on smarter searches and better workflows. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Draw the circle carefully around text or images to improve accuracy and reduce false matches, especially when working with small fonts or crowded pages. Increase capture quality for screenshots that contain fine detail or small type, and apply search filters like image or text only to narrow results. Practice with a few examples to find the best circle size and capture settings for routine searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.